Here are 10 highly paid skills and corresponding job roles in Japan, reflecting current market trends and salary data for 2025. Medical surgery, healthcare, surgeon, specialist physician. Skill, advanced medical knowledge, surgical expertise. Salary range, 18 million to 40 million yen annually, executive management, CEO, CFO, president. Skill, strategic leadership, business acumen. Salary range, 50 million to 72 million yen, CEO, 11 million to 30 million yen, CFO, finance manager, IT and software engineering, AI engineer, cybersecurity specialist, IT director. Skill, programming, Python, Java, AWS, React, cloud solutions, DevOps. Salary range, 8 million to 20 million yen annually. Finance and investment banking skill, financial modeling, CFA, MBA, investment strategy. Salary range, 12 million to 25 million yen annually. Data science and analytics skill, Python, R, SQL, TensorFlow, machine learning, data visualization. Salary range, 8 million to 12 million yen annually. Engineering, robotics, AI, aerospace, manufacturing. Skill, robotics, AI, machine learning, mechanical engineering. Salary range, 6 million to 13 million yen, varies by specialty. University professor, research and education. Skill, academic research, teaching, subject expertise. Salary range, 7.5 million to 12 million yen annually. Aviation, airline pilot. Skill, commercial piloting, aviation safety. Salary range, 10 million to 15 million yen annually. Legal, lawyer. Skill, legal expertise, litigation, corporate law. Salary range, 7 million to 15 million yen, varies by firm and experience. Marketing director. Skill, strategic marketing, brand management, team leadership. Salary range, 15 million to 25 million yen annually. These skills and roles are in high demand and command top salaries in